was up for an hour, probably more. I was on Canva making YouTube graphics, having the time of my life in complete silence. I wasn't watching anything. Confused.
Showered and everything?
I just couldn't wake up, so I thought I'd hit the shower.
Hello, Pookie Star. Do you like my tripod?
Nice.
Thank you.
Just walked in on her baby.
You live here, so you're gonna be in them. Good morning. It's been a bit of a hectic morning for me personally. You know, it started chill. Everything was fine. Got some bad news, some bad family news, but nothing I can really do about it right now. So we're just gonna get ready for the day and we're gonna go get coffee and run some errands. We're gonna get through it. I feel like getting ready will help my mood a little bit, help me feel a little bit more like myself. My skin is so dry right now, and I don't know why, because it's summer. My skin should not be this dry. But I'm also breaking out really bad, and I think it's hormonal, but who knows at this point. Well, part of running errands today is getting more brow gel, but all I have is this very, very old Vaseline stick. So that's what we're working with today. It's not gonna like laminate them the way I want it to, but it doesn't look half bad. I need an outfit. I do have Free People dupe t-shirt. I didn't like the hair with the fit, so I changed it, and I still don't really like the hair. But what can you do? This is the fit for the day. And very little makeup. Watch. Grab my bag. Full look. Got my hair stick. We're ready to go. We're in the car, so I feel like I can kind of talk now without my family hearing, which is something I'm gonna have to get over if I'm gonna start a YouTube channel, but whatever. We're on the road again. So here's the plan for today.
Stop sign. Turn right onto.
My coworker works at a coffee shop in like the next town over. It's like 20 minutes away. And she raves about their coffee, says it's like the best. And so I wanted to try it. I need to go to Walgreens and get some like makeup and essentials, you know. And I need to get a car wash. We took my car, me and my friends took my car to the beach last weekend, and there is sand absolutely everywhere. I could probably grab some lunch. I deserve it. I deserve a little treat. I might grab Sonic. I might get Sonic. Take your time. No rush or anything. Okay,
Just went to Willow Tree Coffee. This thing is freaking fire. I got the Emily, which is just like salted caramel, vanilla, cold foam. I got a medium. I'm gonna be absolutely freaking feral later. I die live on camera. Okay. Went, and my coworker wasn't even there. She was like on her lunch or something. I like heard someone say, "When's she coming back?" This is exactly what I needed. Will pick me up. It's been a weird day, y'all. It's been a very weird day. The plan was to wake up this morning. It was gonna be sunny and beautiful, and it is pretty sunny. And me and my parents were gonna go get coffee together, and we were gonna hang out, and it was gonna be so fun. And then there was a family emergency, and my dad is now on the road. Not to like overshare or anything, but it's been a bit of a weird day. And I was talking to my mom, and I was like, I feel weird like going on with my day. She was like, what else are you gonna do? Sit at home and wait? Sit at home and worry? Go get coffee. And I was like, and you're so right. Also on the agenda for today, I was supposed to practice, have like a mini band practice with my dad because we're leading worship for a conference next weekend. And now he's gone. So I also really don't have the set list figured out either because I procrastinated. So I don't really know how that's gonna go. I might just have to bust out my guitar and try to figure out some keys for some things. Also, do y'all like my little koozie? My friend got it for me, and I take it with me everywhere. It has lipstick stains on it, but that's okay. I'm gonna listen to my music, and you'll see when I start cleaning my car. And period. I've never gotten the like little whatever the frick air freshener. Yay! Car wash. It is hotter than Satan's butthole out here. Do not, I repeat, do not vacuum your car out mid-July when you've only had 2 cups of coffee the whole day. It's a bad idea. You'll feel like dying. I have to put this hair up. Went to Sonic, got an ocean water and some chicken. Haul. Went to Walgreens. We have a new razor. Left mine at the hotel. I'm out of moisturizer, so I got some. I got me more brow gel, like the clear stuff. And my mom this morning said that she wanted to start filling in her eyebrows, so I picked her up a little happy. And I got some gum because I'm out of gum. Put that in my bag. I've had quite literally no water today. I have a ton of junk that needs to be journaled. So I'm going to watch The Summer I Turned Pretty and finally put some of this junk in a journal. Who is Redbird and where can I find him? Who is that? Oh my god. Guys, I have a crush. I just saw a man wearing a Zeta shirt. Never mind. Alpha Zeta Alpha. Is that real?
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain. Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they fall when I'm thinking about you. Oh, no, no.
Do you like my watercolors? This one's ugly. This was the tester. She's a go. It's okay. She's cute though. Little tomatoes.